And another thing is that biology, if I say, it is my first love. So this is here we am talking about enzyme speeds, my learners, and fat globules is the syllabus.
Hello and welcome. Today we are here with Miss Shalini Sachdeva, teaching students of grade 10, 11 and 12. Teaching science, biology. Such subjects which need so much attention from the students, so much efforts from the teachers. How has your journey been?
Ma'am, I'm a science student having a science background, and another thing is that biology, if I say, it is my first love. So I love teaching it, and because of this it becomes very interesting for the students also. If as a teacher I love my subject, it becomes easy for me to cater it to my students also.
Yeah.
So this is maybe the reason that I enjoy, and my students also enjoy the journey.
Great. Listening to a teacher enjoying the teaching journey is really amazing for any viewer, any listener. But do you think that some challenges you have faced in your classrooms?
Yeah, for this generation, if I talk about, they are more technology friendly.
Yeah.
So only teaching in the class is not that much important. We have to inculcate some other things also, like activity based learnings, hands on activities, and here I refer some books to them so that they can easily face those challenges or overcome those challenges. So here I can recommend a book which I find very good, that is Together With.
Okay.
And whether it is sciences or biology, so in both the respects, the Together With is really a book which is providing all the material they need for examination purposes, and also they can easily relate it to their concepts, so it becomes more interesting for them, and at the same time more understandable for them. So here I really love to talk about the Together With. Okay.
So ma'am, such resources, how does it help? How Together With fixes and supports all the academic requirements of a student?
So as you know that now we are moving towards the NEP and NCF, and these are structured according, these books are structured according to this. They are taking the materials like competency based questions are there, then there are analytical reasoning questions are there, assertion reasons, which help the students to understand the concepts.
Yes.
So this is the reason that I refer these books.
Ma'am, what is your favorite feature of the book? Being an educator, we always have something to pick and make it a favorite or go-to thing of ours.
And the thing is that if I talk about Together With, I saw the evolution of Together with my teaching experience.
Okay.
Earlier the book was made with the questions given in the front, and at the back answers are there.
Okay.
And students find it little difficult. पहले questions, and firstly they talk about the questions, and then they talk about answers. So then they adapted the new techniques. Now what are they doing is they have structured it in a way that there are different topic based questions are there, and this is what I really like about it, that they are evoluting with the things, and with the modernization they are also getting modernized.
Yes.
Okay, if I talk about this topic wise segments, so children love to see that, because there is short attention span these days, and they want clarity of the concept.
Yes, indeed.
And that clarity of the concept can be done when we divide the complex concepts into the smaller units.
Yes.
And this is what Together We did.
So what impact NEP has brought to your classroom?
NEP is focusing on experiential learning and critical thinking. So here what are we doing is we are inculcating habit of students of doing the things on their own. Now the teacher is not a dictator over here. Now they work with the students and collaborate the things together, and here again I talk about the together with, that it is having the competency based questions which help us to do this problem solving areas of the students.
Ma'am, just break if I want you to break down the theory based subjects to make it more interactive and engaging for the students, what 3 suggestions would it be?
Theory based subject to be first thing which I talk about is the complex concepts should be taken in the smaller units.
Okay.
I give you here one example from the biology.
Great.
We have the digestive system, you all understand about it, and we digest the different minerals and fats and carbohydrates, different things. Now what our digestive system does is, when it comes to the fat globules, so bigger fat globules are firstly changed into the smaller one, and that is done by our liver, bile juice. And this is what I want. The bigger concepts should be firstly changed into the smaller one. Now those smaller fat globules can be easily digested by the enzymes. So this is here we am talking about enzymes means my learners, and fat globules is the syllabus.
Great. Now I can really relate to this real life experience.
Thank
It
you.
was a great time with you to have so many strategies, so many guidelines for the students. Thank you.
Thank you.